logging with different loggers. So let me remove all and everything that we have here. So I'm going to create a custom logger here, and that is going to be a logger. It is equal to logging.get logger, and in here it is going to be my underscore logger. Okay, so it's a name we give it, and here I will use the logger dot set level, and it is logging dot debug. Okay, and now let's go and create a console handler and add it to the custom logger. So I will create this handler. It's going to be console handler. Okay, so it's equal to logging dot stream handler. Okay, so stream handler, and it's a method. So now I can use this console handler dot set level, okay, to add the label now here. So it's going to be, this time I will add logging.info. Okay, now that I have this, let's go and use this console handler. Okay, so I will use the logger dot add handler, and here I will add it. Okay, so console handler is added here. So that is just this one, and now I'm going to go with I have the logger. Okay, I will use logger.debug, and here let's go, this is debug message, and also we're going to have logger.info, and here I will be having that this is a info message. Now save it and run it again to see that result right in here. So as you see, we have a mistake here in typing. Okay, instead of info I typed enough. Now I save it again and run it again. So you see this is a info message here. Why we are having just this one? Why don't I have this is this one? Okay, we don't have any kind of my logger. Okay, here we don't have any kind of file. The file is not created here. So what I did here is create a console handler. Okay, and then I use that by using add handler here, and then this one right now that I'm using it, okay, this one this console handler is only for info. Okay, let's change it to for example debug. Now if I save it and execute this, now you see that we have, this is a debug message and this is an info. So whenever we use the debug, it will give you the info too. But when I use only the info, this will only give you the info level like this. Okay, so like this we can log with different loggers. Okay, we can work, or we can create a custom logger. So it's not just this. Okay, I can go and create logging with filters, or create a custom filter in logging. Okay, so I will continue this in the next video so you'll learn more and better this logging system.